Move over a bit.
It's fine.
You can't just do that. That's not what you do.
There you go. Easy.
Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is the Game Guy, and today's video is going to be an unboxing for the week 4 items from the fall winter season. Obviously, I got the Male Anatomy and the CDG box logo, and Dan got nothing.
2 bars of 3G. In Malta.
Yeah, well,
How do you expect me to get anything?
try harder.
And the t-shirt came out in tops and sweaters.
Yeah,
So you got no chance.
I did.
Carry on.
So yeah, let's just unbox this. People are still getting bouncy balls with their orders, and some people got 2 with the anatomy models, so yeah, let's open them. Which one first?
The best. Just do it. Open it. Did you see that guy which had a rip in his bag?
Yeah, I know, he had a rip and then it was on the boat and such.
Just there.
Someone was like, I'll give you retail plus 50. I hate opening bags. You all know better, but that's the point of that being turned is so that it's not shut.
I don't know why you got a pair of scissors.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's painful watching that.
Hey, what about you when you're unboxing that off-white suitcase and you had to rip the box open? My first box logo for retail. Oh, I've got 2 bouncy balls. Dead stock. Dead stock. Oh, dead stock. Please give
Imagine
me
I sent you 2 stickers.
2 box logos.
Oh!
The bag's ripped. The bag is ripped.
They had to check the size, obviously.
Why would you have to check the size? Oh well.
Wait, stick that in there so it doesn't. Oh no. Oh.
What do you mean so it doesn't sit out?
Yeah.
No, that's fine, it's fine.
Is that an actual line, how the t-shirt is?
Yeah, that's how it's
cool.
been stitched and done. So it's got a line all the way going down.
Oh!
And the yeah.
Your print's flawed.
Oh well.
What do you expect for 40 quid?
I can't believe the bag is, out of anything.
It's still dead stock.
Yeah. Oh well, there's the first one. People said that there's so much quality control with these. Yeah, of course they did. That's it, it's brilliant. Jeez. Right. What's that? No. What's that gonna do for it?
Are you gonna make this?
No.
You're
I'm
gonna
not
keep
making-
it?
Yeah.
What? Just, you're not gonna make it?
I'll make it at some point. Just rip through it. Dad, you're fine.
Oh, that was nice and accurate.
Shut up.
Do you know once you start it, it just goes?
Oh yeah, it has. Alright.
Oh, you got 2? No, you didn't. Oh, you got bouncy ball? Oh, no, you didn't.
Why? I got one of the... No, I didn't.
sticker pack?
I didn't even get a sticker pack. I thought it was a sticker pack and it's the front of the thing. 2 more box logos. I thought that was a sticker.
Oh, that's wicked, that box.
Anything else? No. Right.
Oh!
That's cool.
How much was it?
40.
I should have got them.
Supreme on the brain.
Supreme brain. That's so sick.
You've literally got everything.
How much are we selling for?
Like 80, 90.
What's it called?
The Supreme Male Anatomy model.
And
Anatomy. No, not anatomy. Not anatomy. No, that's anatomy. Yeah, model.
85 quid. Bloody hell.
Yeah.
Female, 70 quid.
And then the set's like 200. The baby's got Supreme on it for the female, on its back.
That's a really cool collaboration.
Yeah, that is sick.
Yeah.
Master sculpturing, detachable parts, highly detailed finish. It took Vivian Frank 2 hours to build it. 36 part. I'll build that at some point, that'd be sick. Because then you have the male and the female.
Mad.
That's what, oh no, look. They're all the other things that they do. So Supreme could have had a choice of all of these to choose, and they went with...
Pregnancy pelvis.
Yeah, well. But they went with, I think if they did a human hand.
Yeah.
Right. Right. Really? Really? I've included that. I've included that. I was about to finish the video. Right.
Bloody hell's got out there?
Okay, so that covers this video. If you enjoyed, like me, much appreciated. If you've received... Seriously?
What?
If you've received your week 4 orders, comment down below, like if you've received them, and if you did, what items did you get? Or what items did you pick up and have you received? I can't believe this is ripped.
It's fine, you've got a box logo on.
I know, but
You can still get £400 for
It's
that.
not £400, they're about £260 at the moment.
Well, Rob, it's profit, it's money.
Yeah, I know, keep it to Crep City. So yeah, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. What?
If you'd like to buy this at Crep City, I'll sign it for you.
Oh, that's terrible. Not with my signature.
Oh.
Thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you all next time. Peace. Need a thumbnail.
Oh,
Face just isn't in it.